Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Niro EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission and automatic with auto-shift transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.